Yes, my dear students, in this video you are going to learn something about noun praise and order of adjectives. What is praise? Praise is nothing but group of words. Here we find no subject or verb. Group of words without verb and subject is called praise. Now in 8th class there is a topic that is the noun praise. Noun praise. What is noun praise? Beautiful red flower. Beautiful red flower. Here what is the important word? Flower is the important word. Beautiful red. These are modifiers. It means beautiful red says something about or describes the noun flower. So beautiful red flower is called noun praise. Okay. Now the order of adjectives. In some sentences we find more than one adjectives in the sentence that modify the noun. In that case, which adjective should be taken first or written first? It may be number. In that sentence there may be number, size, color, purpose, age. Thus, if there are more adjectives that describe the noun, which adjective we have to take first? Now in this video class I am going to explain the order of adjectives, which is the right order to take if there are more than one adjective that describe the noun in the sentence. For this we have to follow an acronym that is called DNOSASCOMP. DNOSASCOMP. D means determiner. It means a and the, this, that, these, those come under determiner. And number, if the noun is plural, it is not necessary, then we have to take number. It means ordinal or cardinal number. 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third. The first one determiner or number. The third one we have to take opinion. The adjective which says opinion we have to take just like it is beautiful, it is fantastic, it is great. Thus opinion takes place the third place. And fourth one is size. About the size of noun. It may be big, small, large, huge. And next age. Age means whether it is new or old, ancient or modern. Thus we have to take age. And what about S? S is, there are two S. The first one is size. First we have to take size, then we have to take shape. Shape means whether it is round, square, rectangular. Thus we have to take. And color. Color, red, black, green, whatever it may be. And origin, whether it is American, whether it is British, whether it is whether it is Indian. Thus we have to take origin. And the material, whether it is made with wooden, steel, copper, iron. And finally we have to take purpose. What is the purpose of that noun? That thing, whether it is a painting purpose or washing purpose or cleaning purpose or writing purpose or playing purpose. What is the purpose of that noun? Thus, if we remember this acronym, it is possible to write the right order of the adjective if the sentence has more than one adjective. That is called DNOSASCOMP. NOSASCOMP. Now we practice the textual sentences of 8th class. There are 4 sentences, just 4 sentences. In addition to we practice some more sentences. Okay. Yes, students, now we practice textual sentences regarding order of adjectives. Before that, we should be thorough with this acronym, that is DRN. DR Nosas Comp. DR Nosas Comp. Okay, Nosas Comp. Now we practice the sentences. I bought beautiful a umbrella red. What is that? I bought umbrella. Okay. Beautiful. What is the number of beautiful? Beautiful comes under opinion. What is the number of beautiful? 3. And A should be first. Determiner. It comes under determiner. Umbrella. Now we are saying about umbrella. This is now. It comes at last. And red. What is the red? Red is color. What is the number of color? 7. So, what is the right answer? First of all, 1. I bought A. Next, 3. Beautiful. I bought a beautiful. Next, red. Last, noun, umbrella. This is the right order. Beautiful A umbrella red becomes a beautiful red umbrella. Okay? Next, second sentence. We saw in the zoo what baby A elephants of couple. Now, first of all, you have to write A, number 1. What is baby? Baby means, here we have to understand big or small. Baby means comes under size. Size, what is the size? Number 4. Baby comes under 4. Elephants, this is a noun, comes at last. Here, couple of, number, what is the number? 2. Couple of. Praise, couple of. Now we write, we saw a couple of baby elephants. We saw a couple of baby elephants. Baby comes under size. A is determiner and elephants is noun. Of, couple of, this is a prepositional phrase. So couple of. Couple comes under number. Couple of. It should be understood. Of follows couple. Now our grandfather lives in big size. What is the number of? 4. House noun. And A first. Stone built comes under material. What is the number of? 9. So now our grandfather lives in a big stone built house. Okay, our grandfather lives in a, this is the first one, big, fourth one, and stone built, it comes under material. So stone built, last, house. Now our grandfather lives in a big stone built house. Next, Ramya has nice is opinion, a sari noun, silk material. 9. Now what is the answer? Ramya has a nice silk sari. It should be understood. Sari is the noun. It should come at last. Ramya has a nice silk sari. Now I bought square big box. A square. What is that? Square is the shape. What is the number? 6. Big size, 4. And box, noun, a first. So I bought a big square box. Okay. Next, she sang Italian wonderful a clock old. Not sang, she bought. She gave or presented. She presented. Now Italian, what is that? Italian comes under origin. So 8. Wonderful means opinion. What is the number? 3. A first. Clock, this is a noun. And what about old? 5th one. Okay, now she gave or presented a wonderful old next Italian and clock. What is that? She gave or presented a wonderful old Italian clock. That is the right order. For that we have to follow this acronym, that D Nosas Com. If we are thorough with this acronym, we can answer. We can write the right order of adjective in the sentence. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.